Hello everyone, TGS here. We're back with another video, and what you're looking at right now is a hummingbird. Look how fast that thing is flapping its wings. That is super fast. Wow. That's amazing. And I guess that's it. The hummingbird flew away. Like I said, they're very fast creatures, and I guess they really must love this plant. And it went away. Anyway, make sure to like the video, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't. And also share this video with a friend. And remember, see you next time on TGS. Bye.